waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9:15 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., gusty winds associated with thunderstorms were moving quickly toward Lake Michigan. Hazard, winds gusts 34 knots or greater. The strong winds may occur with little to no rainfall. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, Michigan City, Hammond Marina, and Burns Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.